I'll show you how you can increase the disk size of Proxmox, a virtual machine, and then how you can increase the size within the virtual machine. In this particular scenario, I have a virtual machine which is Ubuntu 24.04 or 22.04, whatever machine you have. And let me show you on the screen so you will be able to understand it, what is happening right now. This is the Ubuntu Docker engine. So Docker engine had 32 GB of the storage, and now I have increased size of the disk. This one is the disk. If I just click on the virtual machine, I can simply choose hardware. In hardware, I can choose the disk and just click on disk action and resize. So for example, I will just, it's 50 GB, I will increase it to 64 GB. So I will add 14 GB more here. And now you will see here that disk size has been increased to 64 GB. But inside the server, of course, it is not yet increased. So let me show you in the PowerShell. So I will SSH into it 10.11.12.109. And you can see here, this is the Docker machine here. You will see here Docker. And if I show you df-h, df-h will help you to understand that what type of partitions are there. Here you can see one of the partition, which is dev mapper ubuntu vg-ubuntu LV. It is 15 GB and used is 15 GB. It is 100% full. So if I see lsblk, which is list of the block volumes, so you can see here, these are the list of the drives that I have. So I have STA, and under STA, I have STA1, STA2, and STA3. STA3 is right now 30 GB, and out of 30 GB, 15 GB is used. And if you see here, the total STA size is 64 GB. So I can assign all 64 GB, of course, 2 GB is used here. So I want to assign 100% of this to STA3, and then I want to increase the STA3 size to maximum of this. Of course, there are certain commands that you need to write, and I have written all these commands, how to increase Ubuntu VG volume size LVM. This is where I have already mentioned here STA, which is 32 GB, and here was the 15 GB size, and how to increase it. df-h, you can see these are two commands that I have already used. And df-h, of course, it shows me that a total is 15 GB and 15 GB is used. It is 100% used. But if I see the disks also, so I will do lsblk. In lsblk, now you can see that I have 30 GB of the partition, STA is 64 GB. Now I want to grow this also. I want to make sure that I utilize 100% of STA into ST3. So I want to grow this partition size also. So then I will be able to, within this, I will be increasing the volume size also. So this is logical volume, and this is the partition. A boot partition is already there, and STA is also the cache partition. So this is already there. So I want to increase the partition size for this particular partition. So there is another blog which I have written, that how to increase the XFS boot partition. So I will be using this particular command, which is to grow the partition of dev STA3. So I will just simply go here, paste this command to grow the file system. So I will paste it here, sudo grow partition dev STA3. So it is STA3. It gives you an error. Of course, it needs the space to grow the partition size, because right now, if you see again df-h, you can see it is 100% used here, and there is nothing available to create the temp partition. So we need to, of course, make sure that we remove the temp files, unused log. So it is a journal VTM time 3 days. So you can see here, this is the log. It has been deleted now. And then I will do one thing. I will do sudo rm-rf, which is to remove the files also, and it will be under in the var log star.gz. So whatever files were there with the gz extension, it has been removed, and then .1 also. So these has been removed. So I can just go to cd/var/log, and other files are also there. So first step was that we have removed all the log files, df-h, and here you can see right now there is a 1% is available temp disk size. So let us try it again. If I try to grow the partition again, docker dev sta-space3, here you can see that size has been increased now. So I'll do ls blk, and you can see here that 64 GB is now assigned to STA3, which is now 62 GB. Now what we can do, we can go back to the VG volume. So we need to, of course, now increase the volume size, so which is here 15 GB. So I need to increase this, so I will simply go here, extend the volume size. So I will do 100% volume size. I will assign it to the logical volume for Ubuntu server. So here I will just simply paste it here. It shows that logical volume size has successfully raised. Now if I see, this will be now, instead of 15 GB, it will become 62 GB. So let me show lsblk. Here you can see that Ubuntu VG volume has increased now. Final setup, I can resize the file system. Now we can, of course, start using it. So here lsblk, great, 62 GB. Now the size has been increased. So this was all about resizing disk partition, resizing the logical volume inside the Ubuntu server. I have provided these two links here. One is how to increase the VG volume size or LVM, and then how to resize the XFS root partition. This can be used for any Oracle Linux or any other Linux also. So you can try it depending upon where you have installed Linux. So I have done this in Ubuntu. I was using one of the virtual machines where now I have increased the size 64 GB, and this size has been now increased. I have used the commands to increase the size of the Ubuntu 24.04. So here you can see the total size was 64 GB. That you could see here, 64 GB is the total disk size, and out of this, of course, there are multiple partitions. And finally we assigned this logical volume here, and this logical volume was earlier 15 GB. So we increase the size of the partition first, and then inside the partition there is a logical volume, and its size was also increased. This was all about how to resize the partition and how to resize the logical volume. Let us continue to next video now.